நாடாளுமன்ற மக்களவையில் கரூர் தொகுதி எம்பி ஜோதிமணி பேசி வருகிறார். அந்த நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்ப்போம்.
आराम से दौड़िए मत. Please, now start.
Thank you, Chairman sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on the Farmers' Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service Bill 2020. I rise to oppose this bill. So, at the outset, I would like to remind the government, through you, sir, of their full promise of doubling the farmers' income by 2022. Standing only 2 years away from the deadline, we expect any agriculture reforms should be in that direction. The answer to whether this bill and other two bills are in that direction, a big no. I am sorry to say this. Instead of comprehensive approach, the government comes up with just cosmetic changes that favors only the corporates and multinationals in the guise of supporting the farmers. At first glance, the bill looks like promised Achedin, which disappeared from 2014. There is a registration authority, guaranteed price, quality produce, dispute settlement mechanism, etc. However, the devil is in the details. For example, what if the agreed amount is not paid before the delivery of the produce? How many farmers are educated enough to read and fully understand the terms and conditions in the agreement? What if the company rejects the produce in the name of quality, standard and certification in the agreement? Why are you making the lives of farmers so complicated? How is this bill going to deal these grave concerns of farmers? What is the protection mechanism? So the bill says there is a dispute settlement mechanism. He or she can go to conciliation board. If nothing happens for 30 days, farmers can approach subdivisional magistrate. If it doesn't work, then there is a district collector. Sir, in this process, simple poor farmers will be pitted in a long legal battle against corporate giants. What is the guarantee that justice will be granted after all this mental drama? Farmers' livelihood and hope will be destroyed in the process. A recent scenario that will explain this bill. A year ago, PepsiCo had sued some Gujarat farmers for 1 crore for illegally growing and selling a potato variety registered by PepsiCo. The farmers were not aware that PepsiCo registered a particular variety of potato.
விவசாயிகள் மசோதா தொடர்பான மசோதா நாடாளுமன்ற மக்களவையில் இன்று விவாதத்துக்கு வந்தது. இன்னும் சற்று நேரத்தில் வாக்கெடுப்பு நடைபெறும் அப்படிங்கிற தகவல் நமக்கு நாடாளுமன்றத்திலிருந்து வருகிறது. காங்கிரஸ் கட்சியை சேர்ந்த கரூர் தொகுதியின் எம்பி ஜோதிமணி நாடாளுமன்ற மக்களவையில் பேசிய நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம்.